So today we're going to be scrapping this old 10-seer Goodman central air conditioner. It's from 2001. It's got a Copeland recip in it. Look at all that dirt and crap and
It's
oils. It's due for destruction.
It's shit. This is why it stopped running. Look at the terminals and the compressor. Like, show the terminals. The terminal block is screwed up. It burnt. Burnt up.
Burnt. It's already been discharged and everything, so we won't have to worry about refrigerant and
properly recovered.
Something fell within the unit.
More garbage.
This might have been what was coating.
Oh yeah, that I know what that is. Oh, that's from the install.
I think this is what might have been what was holding one of the components or something.
That's what was screwed the unit into the bracket, but I think that's from the new unit. If it was from the old unit, it'd be rusty.
Yeah, that is true. Look at that. That coil was so pushed in, or that condenser guard was so pushed into the coil.
They all do that.
It left its territory.
That's just a Goodman thing. This coil is filthy. That's probably what killed it.
No wonder some of these leak so often.
Well, you people won't take care of it.
I don't think the new ones are like this though. Yeah, this seems to have a decent amount of room between the condenser guard and the coil. It's still stuck on the compressor because it still hasn't been snipped yet.
Filter dry. A little tiny.
That needs to come undone.
That it will. It'd be a lot easier with copper cutters, but I don't have any on me at the moment.
Look at these.
No, that one. The folding of the radiator. The condenser cord. Now we fold.
The deed has been done.
split. That was a disaster waiting to happen.
Good thing it died before it happened. That grill would have been done for.
Yeah, I would save stuff like this for future use, but it's broken. So, yeah.
And there was no saving that.
Gone.
Here's the contactor.
And there it goes. The coil crumbled into pieces.
That contactor was no good anyway.
The piece on it was pretty rusty.
Yeah.
That's actually
It would not have worked.
It would have barely worked.
Feels still good. I wouldn't have destroyed it, but had to be done. Satisfaction at its finest.
That's a lot of freaking copper. That was worth it.
And look at the fan motor's cracked at the bottom.
That's the top.
Or that is the top. Fan motors.
Oh, look at this. Get this on video. The coil came apart into just a ton of a string of copper.
You can see the fan motor's cracked right there.
Well, here's what's left of the contactor. Contactor, you can get that much copper out of it.
You could sell it for a decent amount.
Scrap, yeah. Well, now I'm going to be doing that.
I just want to show the horrible bearing on this motor.
The destroyed contactor with the freaking magnet.
Came on off a little bit.
Surprised.
Easier than expected.
Surprising. Really surprising.
Completely rusted in shaft.
Cut half the shaft off.
This is the Goodman scrap process finalized.
Scrap process finalized.
There's the base pan. I don't know where the compressor is.
In the pile back there.
Yeah, it is probably one of those. Probably that one in the back. That'll be it.